Hey you guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Today we're going to be talking about a pretty important topic. Unfortunately, Lyft has decided to end their fuel surcharge, and we're going to get into more details, but before that, use our link below to download Solo. Solo is an app that guarantees pay for gig workers, which is going to be pretty important now since Lyft is getting rid of that fuel surcharge. So use our link below, and when you use our link, you also get $10 just for signing up. It's free to use anywhere in the country, so go ahead and do that. Now let's get back to the video. So as many of you know, Lyft put a 55-cent fuel surcharge for drivers so that they can compensate for the high gas prices. And within the past couple weeks, it did look like gas prices were going back down to normal, but honestly, within the past week, I've seen some of the highest gas prices ever. So it makes no sense why Lyft now is deciding to take away that fuel surcharge for some people. And again, this isn't happening to every single Lyft driver. At the moment, there have only been numerous accounts where Lyft drivers are showing their screenshots of that fuel surcharge being taken away. Personally, my surcharge is still there, so please comment down below if your surcharge has been taken away or if it's still there, so it can give us a better idea whether this is happening, by city, by state, or just on a person by person kind of case basis. Hopefully they bring that fuel surcharge back for everybody, because I feel like that incentive right now is keeping a lot of Lyft drivers wanting to keep driving for Lyft, especially with the rising gas prices. It's hard without that incentive to be making enough to even live off of. So thanks for watching, you guys, and don't forget to download the Solo app with our link below. Get that guaranteed pay now while you can, and when you sign up you get that free $10. So thanks again for watching, and see you guys soon.